Looking for a beginner-friendly way to earn online without building a website, running ads, or learning tech stuff? In this video, I'll walk you through how to use Cellphone Cash to start earning passive income, even if you've never made a dime online. Cellphone Cash is a done-for-you income system you can run right from your phone. It gives you a pre-built website, a sales funnel, and even built-in traffic sources, all ready to go in minutes. Getting started is easy. Tap the link in the description and sign up on the official website. Log into your dashboard and activate your done-for-you website. Follow the step-by-step training videos inside. Start sharing your unique link on social media, messaging apps, or wherever your audience hangs out. No need to code, write content, or manage inventory. It's all done for you. The system works in the background to bring in traffic, convert leads, and earn commissions. It's fully automated, so even while you sleep, your website keeps working. A few quick tips: only use the official link to avoid scams. Watch the tutorials, they make it super easy, and stay consistent and check in your results regularly. If you're ready to start earning beginner-friendly income from your phone, click the link in the description to access Cellphone Cash now. You could be up and running in the next 15 minutes. Your passive income website is waiting. Tap the link below.